Hello and welcome to BrainBridge UPSC. I am Vaibhav Kulshrestha and this is answer writing program of Geography GS and this is 15th question of this series. The question is major hot deserts in northern hemisphere are located between 20 to 30 degree north and on the western side of the continents. Why? This question was asked in 2013. So in northern hemisphere, if we look in the map of world map, so northern hemisphere means this is equator 0 degree, and this is the northern hemisphere. And between 20 degree north and 30 degree north, जितने भी मेजर डेजर्ट हैं वो हमको देखने को मिलता है एंड ऑल्सो कि जितने ये डेजर्ट हैं ये वेस्टर्न साइड ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट पे लोकेटेड है वेस्टर्न साइड ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट देखिए खैर ये तो साउदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में आ जाएगा दिस इज द साउदर्न हमारे लिए बात सिर्फ नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर की सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू राइट अबाउट कॉजेज ओनली व्हाट आर द कॉजेज जिसके कारण ये लोकेशन देखने को मिलती है okay so in introduction portion we can give some names of those deserts which lies in this region means 20 degree north and 30 degree north में जितने भी deserts मिलते हैं उनको हम एक example के रूप में यहाँ पर quote कर सकते हैं then in main body part we will write about the causes क्योंकि main question वही पूछा गया then in conclusion we will sum up the answer now in introduction, major hot deserts in northern hemisphere are Sahara, Arabian Desert, desert in southwestern United States, northern Mexico, primarily located between 20 to 30 degree north latitude, and on the western side of the continent due to various climatic and geographic factors. और वो factors क्या हैं उसको हम यहाँ लिखते हैं. First is Hadley cell circulation. At this latitude, the descending branch of the Hadley cell is dominant, and warm air rises at the equator, cools, and then sink around 20 to 30 degree north. This descending air is dry and it creates high pressure zones leading to arid conditions. So you may draw the diagram also. This is 0 degree, this is 30 degree north, 60 degree north, and this is the North Pole. This is Hadley cell. This is Ferrel cell, and this is polar cell. तो हेडली सेल का जो ये वाला पार्ट है यहाँ क्या हो रहा है सिंकिंग वार्म एयर सिंक एट 20 और 30 डिग्री नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड तो यहाँ एक हाई प्रेशर जोन क्रिएट हो रहा है इट क्रिएट्स अ हाई प्रेशर जोन इट मींस देयर कुड नॉट बी एनी प्रेसिपिटेशन क्योंकि क्लाउड फॉर्मेशन नहीं हो रहा है सेकेंड सब ट्रॉपिकल हाई प्रेशर सिस्टम द हाई प्रेशर सिस्टम एट दीज लैटिट्यूड्स inhibit cloud formation and precipitation. The air is stable and dry, contributing to the desert climate. Third, proximity to cold ocean currents. On the western side of the continent, cold ocean currents run parallel to the coastline. These cold currents cool the air above them and reducing its ability to hold moisture. When this cool, dry air moves over the land, it warms up and creates extremely arid conditions. For example, on the western side of United States of America or North America continent, there is California current in Pacific Ocean, which is cold current. In Atlantic Ocean means on the western coast of North Africa, there is a Canary current, which is a cold current. तो cold current का भी effect है. Fourth is rain shadow effect. Some of these deserts also influenced by the rain shadow effect, where moist air from the ocean is forced to rise over mountain ranges, then cools and loses its moisture on the windward side as precipitation leaving the leeward side dry. Next, continentality. Desert located inland away from moisture sources also experience extreme dryness. For example, interior location of Sahara Desert in Africa, Arabian Desert in Middle East contributes to their aridity. So these are the major causes for the location of these particular deserts. Now come to the conclusion part. These combined factors result in the formation of hot desert, primarily between 20 to 30 degree north latitude and on the western side of the continent in the northern hemisphere. और इस तरीके से हमारा ये क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हो जाता है. So that is all for today. If you like a video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.